Hey guys, it's Adrian right here. Now I'm gonna do something different. This video, I'm gonna pause it. I want to test something out real quick. So let's explain what I did so far. I put my support and resistance lines that you can see, and I wrote on it. This is the low support, so I know. And it's AUD JPY Australia versus Japan, and this is a 30-minute chart, but let me put in 5 minutes. I wrote everything on the 5-minute chart, guys. But I'm gonna always monitor the 30-minute chart because you want to have two time frames. I should have did it on the 30-minute, but on that. But you want to always look at the like two time frames higher than what you actually when you enter your trade to see where it's going. It is a scalping, guys. That's all it is, scalping. And you can see this works here, guys. And that's why I said it's the high support right here, guys. And the lowest, it went on the 5 minutes right here, guys. I typed low support right here that you can see touches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it broke it right here. Then went back up. So what I would do is I'm gonna monitor this. I'm gonna put this gonna be low support right here. This is probably the true value. Now you see the buy is going up, guys. Now this is my moving averages right here. It's the 26 and it's the 12. And what I say when it cross the 12 cross the 26, usually it might be a lot of sales going on, but I'm gonna monitor it. If it break this right here, if it break this right here, and I look at my RSI right here, based on the momentum what that's going right now, it's gonna go up. So I'll monitor that for a minute, but not about resistance. The resistance I put right here, the main resistance, because it couldn't make it, it couldn't break it right here, it couldn't break it right here, it broke it, but you see it went back down, couldn't break it right here, so many couldn't break it. So if it breaks this right here, this is a higher resistance right here, right here, that's why I said higher resistance. If it break it right here, guys, definitely I would enter the trade. If it break it right here, I'll enter the trade for a sell. I'll enter the trade for a buy right here, guys. So I'm gonna pause this video and I will bring it back live to you when I enter the trade. And this is a 5-minute chart and a 30-minute chart. I'm just scalping today, guys. But if you really want to see what direction is going at, you just put on a daily chart, and I can see better what it's doing. If you want to be, let me see, I'll show you this real quick. Don't pause this video. Where we at? All right. You can see that the low right here, it broke. It didn't go further than this. It didn't go further than this, and then it finally broke it right here. But now it might go back up to here, guys. So I'm definitely looking at more of a buy in this this trade right here, guys. But I'm just gonna monitor it for a while because this right here says going down, so it might be a sell. So if it breaks, as a matter of fact, let me write that, put that down right here. If it breaks, it's a daily chart right here, guys. So if it breaks out right here, I'm definitely gonna be looking at a sell. And this video might take a couple days because I always want to make sure I win. So, all right, let's see. Yeah, if it breaks, right here, guys. See, I say yeah, right here. So I'm monitoring this right here, guys. If it breaks, I'm gonna say right here. It's on the daily chart. It's more accurate in the 5-minute charts. If it breaks right here, I know it's a buy. So I'll be monitoring, and I'll let y'all know when I enter this trade. I'm just gonna monitor it at the 5-minute chart right here. See how it's going? It's going up right here. So once this 12 moving average right here go over and cuts this right here, then I'll be looking at a buy. If it breaks this right here, if it breaks this right here, so matter of fact, I'm gonna put a line right there. If it's right there, I know it's it could be a buy. It could be a buy. This is your high resistance right here, guys. So if it breaks these right here, I know I'm gonna enter a buy. So it might have to test a little bit down here, guys, but I'll let you know. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Matter of fact, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut this video off, and then tomorrow I'm gonna have a part 2, guys. Yeah, let's do it like that. All right, guys. This is part 1 of see what works on these resistance and support lines that I wrote right here. So stay tuned for part 2 video, guys. All right.